welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an extremely special video because a lot of reasons. First off, you probably could tell this is a 360 camera, which means you can do 360 stuff, so that means all around you can see what's behind me. Look at that dish soap, not bad looking dish soap, I know, it's dish soap. But I'm also going to be doing my first video of 2019. That's pretty cool, check out for more. And hey, I'm in a different location. That's right, your boy got an apartment. Kinda. In a weird way, I'll describe more of it later. But also one slight thing is there is no Wi-Fi here, so I'm going to be running off my data. So your boy is going to be not able to really edit any videos. For the most part, I'll probably have some booty-ass mobile editing going on. And, you know, I'm going to be doing cooking stuff from pretty much now on because I'm in an apartment. And, you know, I'm going to be doing, like, fitness stuff. Probably not teaching you how to do fitness stuff because I don't know. I looked it up and there's a bunch of crap. I have no idea. So, yeah, but I'm going to be eating healthier and I'll be showing you how to eat healthier. But it's not going to be boring eating healthier crap because, I don't know. Next time you see me though, I'm going to be one buff boy. Like, get a look at this bad boy. Bam! That's one, no, you know what? I'll be one buff man. No, top that. I'll be two buff men. That's how big I'll be. Bam! So anyhow, so the first thing is you're going to want to get what you're going to want to cook. So I am just now realizing how much of a gimmick the 360 camera is. So this is probably going to be the one and only 360 camera video I make. Also, I don't know why the hell this is so bright, but it's bright, shine bright, orange light. So, bam, Progressive chicken noodle. I'm going to be showing you bad boys how to make this and bad girls and everything in between. I'm not one to judge. So, Progresso, first thing you want to do, give it a smack, teach it a lesson. Then you're going to want to open this bad boy up very carefully. You don't want it to explode. Okay, this is why I'm getting muscles, boys and girls. And ladies and gentlemen, we got them. So you open the can. It wasn't that bad, I promise. I just had to set it down, holding it, didn't help. So you're going to take it, put it in a saucepan, dump all of it. Actually, to be honest, this is 2 servings, but screw it. We're taking it all. That's what she said. It doesn't really look like that much, to be honest, but we can get a good look in there. Alright, so then you're going to want to take this, put that on the stove, which you can't see because it is in 360 degrees. Then you are going to want to heat the stove, or you can microwave it. You know, I'm not one to judge, but microwaving is for poor people. Or not poor people, because I have to microwave. Don't microwave it. Don't make your soup like that. You deserve better than that. I deserve better. And if you're watching me, we both deserve better. So yeah, you're going to want to turn on the saucepan, make sure it is the correct one. Screw it, put it on high, don't add water, it says it right there. Get a good look. You probably can't because it's a crappy camera. But, yeah, so there we go. So I guess I will give you a little bit of a tour of the apartment, and I guess you can take a look. This is my skip day. I'm going to make a pizza. This is the hall. Welcome to the hall. This is the bathroom. The toilet, that is normally up, but I'm making a video, so I put it down. So hey, ladies, watch out for that. This is the curtain. This is extremely crappy. We gotta get a new one from Walmart. Probably gonna be even worse because it's from Walmart. Turn that buddy off. Oh yeah, I'm paying electrical and its utility and crap, so yeah, I'm gonna be cheap with electricity. So this is the other room. I'm not gonna be staying in this room, but who knows? Maybe you will be, girl. No boys, sorry. This is my room. This is it in all its glory. You can take a look at everything. I got my jacket. This is my signature jacket. Kiss a cute girl in that jacket. This is my pants. Definitely my pants. More of a pajama pants than anything. This is my PlayStation Vita. This is going to be keeping me entertainment because there's no Wi-Fi. Why is my video so yellow? That's weird. Oh, there we go. This is my Switch. I will be playing that every now and then. You probably just saw me step on that cable if you're looking at the floor, but if you didn't, then I guess you know now. These are my headphones. This is my bed. My bed is honestly kind of disappointing because it's very low to the ground, and look at that head support. Oh wait, you can't because there is no head support. Hey, we should probably look at the food, make sure everything's going well. So it turns out if you're gonna be doing this, make sure you actually have the, stove turned on, because I've been sitting here for a little while and the stove wasn't on. So the soup is done. As you can see, it is boiling. Unless you're looking at me, then you're a weirdo. Hope my camera doesn't fall in. So you're gonna want to turn this all the way off and let your soup sit. Now at this point you can either eat it straight out of here like an animal, and hey, I'm not gonna judge. I'd probably do that if I wasn't recording as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a bowl, and I'm gonna put the bowl right here, and I'll give it a taste test or something. I'll talk to you when the soup is in the bowl, as the ladies say. So we are here with the soup, and this is a lot of soup. But hey, if you're gonna get big and bulky, you gotta eat big and bulky foods. So this is the first taste test of the soup. It is soup, so it's hard to mess it up. I didn't put any chicken in it. Probably should have put some chicken in it. Maybe in the next video. Ladies, look out for that chicken. Subscribe. So here we go. You definitely didn't waste your time watching this video. This is some of the best soup I've ever, in my entire history of my life, ever made on camera. Take that as you will. Only one I've made on camera, but hey. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna eat my soup now, and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video in a while. I hope you guys enjoyed the 360 camera, the tour. I know, it's fancy. And I hope you guys have a great one. Subscribe if you liked the video. Leave my channel if you didn't. Dislike if you didn't like the video. Like if you did like the video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I don't want to say peace because that's too generic. So, Feliz Navidad.